And in today's video, Nord 4. The box looks nice. Let's open it. Bam. Satisfaction. Oh. Probably a case. It's a lot of stuff in here. It's pretty heavy. What's in here? All right. We do have original cable. That is cool. But no charger. SIM card tool. Some kind of plug, if you wanted to. A manual. Oh, red club card. All right. And another manual. And so, no charger. And that's the smartphone. Let me lift. All right, let's bend it. And there you go. All right. That's the whole box. Unbox it. And there it is. And it is aluminum. Brush aluminum. The last time we had aluminum smartphone was many years ago with HTC One, and it was a super cool smartphone. This one also feels super cool. On the bottom we do have SIM card tray, speaker and USB Type-C. There's a buttons, power and volume buttons on the left and a correct height. I don't have to reach too much. 2 antennas, ear blaster, microphones, and physical button. We can set that button to 3 different positions. And that is also super cool. Some kind of sign. TridentZ, not just Shenzhen. And 2 cameras. Mirror, so you can see yourself, that is super cool. 2 flashes, 2 cameras. Solid. Let me turn it on, and there's the fingerprint sensor. Oh, face recognition. The fingerprint sensor. 120 Hertz, that is very smooth. Apologize for sound in the background. I'm close to the airport and fighter jets are blasting today, all day long. If we hit about the device, we are greeted with Oxygen OS 14.1, Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, mobile platform, 5500 mAh battery, 12 GB of RAM, and front 16 megapixels and rear 15 and 8. I'm curious about that 8 megapixel. This should be interesting. All right. Also, if we go to the display and brightness, we can have a dark mode. It will be very reflective to the camera. Let me go back to the light mode. Auto rotate screen resolution. We can do fixed, high resolution, or standard. You won't see the difference. At least I don't. Or you can do adaptive, which will not participate with such a thing. And of course, 120 Hz fixed, standard 60, auto selection, and you can choose the app which one will have 120 or which one 60. That is super customizable. Oh, 50% of the battery already. All right. Wallpapers. It has a couple of cool wallpapers, live wallpapers. I think that's very cool, a bit reflective. Let's stick with a red one. Oh wow, super nice. Nice. But going back to the settings and hit mobile network, of course, dual SIM and VoLTE Wi-Fi calling. Let me test the 5G network. All right, let's see how much I'm going to have. Oh, that's more than 500 in a studio. That is very impressive. In a studio, almost 600. And 50 upload. Okay, upload is not that great. But the download, wow, impressive. Camera. Pro, video, photo, portrait, more. I'll make a separate video just for the camera and walkthrough. And in the full review, we'll talk about more about the camera. Just unboxing. So if we hit the portrait mode, all right, focusing on my face nicely. That is very good. And photo, let's see how many filters I'm going to have. many filters. And of course, beauty mode also available. The interesting is, look how focusing, is it focusing? It is focusing in both camera and my face. And do remember that the camera is way closer than the face to the smartphone. But are we going to have autofocus in front-facing camera? No, there is no autofocus in front or back. Let me show you some samples for photo and video. This smartphone can record all the way to 4K 60, but in wide-angle lens only Full HD 30 frames per second, which is a bit lame. It has the focusing problems. Oh, now it's focused. I have to tap the screen. Telephoto. This is shit. Front-facing camera is very wide without any video stabilization, no autofocus, 30 frames per second in Full HD, and is overexposing the sky greatly. In the world of photos, it looks better than the average smartphone, but not a flagship experience, but still really good, especially in the low light conditions. Let me leave you with those pictures, and I'll come back to you in a second. Speakers. They sound really nice. Stereo speakers. You know what's also nice? The design. That metal frame is amazing, but cameras are sticking out from the frame. So if you drop it, then you will shatter the cameras. And if you drop it on the front, that beautiful high-end screen, a flat screen, will also shatter. Maybe if you drop it on the corner, on the back corner, then maybe. Also the cameras in this price range, you could have, at least in my country, Galaxy S23, or maybe even Galaxy S24. Which is a flagship from Samsung, which has, like, the cameras are nowhere, like, it's a completely different experience. And of course, no charging because of the metal frame. In the end, what's the point if you cannot use it?